Hello everyone, my name is Rosita. I am a vocal and language coach, so not only do I teach people how to speak in different languages, I teach people how to sing in them as well. In this video for another Learn Japanese in Less Than a Minute, we're going to learn about the counter word hon, which is used to count long and thin objects like pens and pencils, bottles, poles, trees, etc. Let's check out the vocabulary. So, to say one long and thin item, we have ippon. 2, nihon. 3, sanbon. 4, yonhon. 5, gohon. 6, roppon. 7, nanahon. 8, happon or hachihon, more commonly happon. 9, kyuhon, and 10, jupon. Alright guys, we just learned how to count long and thin objects like pencils and poles and trees and any thin and long object. If you guys feel like you need to review some of this material, please feel free to rewatch this video as many times as you guys need. And don't forget to follow, and until the next video, I shall see you then. Mata ne minna!